In this video, I will explain how you can expand the rows so that text will be visible. For example, in the row number 4, you can see that this text is being hidden. It looks like there is some text underneath this XYZ hello, and then there might be some other text underneath that as well. So how do you expand it? So one way is just go here in this row on the left hand side and then just drag this particular border, or you can just double click here once you see these arrows. And as soon as you double click, what happens is that the row will be expanded so that the entire text will be visible. If you want to make all rows of equal height, what you can do is select the entire sheet and then drag it like this, and you will notice that all the rows will have same width. That's how you can expand the rows. Thanks for watching.